Is it true that lymphatic massage after surgery has to hurt? Hi, my name is KathleenLisson. I'm a certified lymphedema therapist and board certified massage therapist. I'm here at my studio in Pacific Beach area of San Diego, and I help people after plastic surgery procedures to reduce their swelling and fibrosis and heal themselves, recover, get back to normal. And that includes abdominoplasty, tummy tucks, mommy makeovers, Brazilian butt lifts, and facelifts. So the answer is no, and I'm so excited. I'm actually really proud of a lot of my first-time clients because they come to me and about 10 minutes into the session, they're like, you know, I really thought this would hurt me. It would hurt very bad, but the swelling is so bad I was willing to undergo whatever pain this massage would have. And the truth is, for the vast majority of my clients, it is not painful. It's very pleasurable. And the reason why it's not painful is because I use some of the tricks and techniques that I have, which actually sedate our body's nervous system. So that's number one, which you can imagine right now, is the hot stones, just that warmth and heat coming to the areas where you have had surgery. It works for me because it helps to get the tissue ready for me to do a little bit of deeper work. And it also, like I said, it sedates the nervous system. It makes you relaxed. It makes my clients relax. And the other thing that I do that will help with the fibrosis is cupping. So this is one of the cups that I use on my cupping machine. I have manual cups, and I also have a machine that helps to give a more organized bit of negative compression. So this is one of the cups, and most people, when they hear about cupping, their eyes get really wide because they're thinking of Michael Phelps. They're thinking of giant red, marks on their back, and they already just have these bruises, and they just had this surgery, and they're kind of, trust me, they're willing to try anything, but they don't want a lot of bruising, and they think it's going to hurt. And the cupping, how I do it, this lymphatic massage cupping, does not hurt. It doesn't leave any bruises. It doesn't leave any redness for the vast majority of my clients. And it also, the gentleness of it, just a gentle suction, like pulling the fibrosis up and away from the skin, pulling the swelling into the parts of the lymphatic system that can work with it and bring it back to the body for processing, and then you end up urinating it out, and that's how you get rid of the swelling and break up the scar tissue just ever so gently. And I have had experiences where people have actually fell asleep on the table. So that is a really big kudos to me. I take it as a compliment someone falls asleep while I'm working with them, because that means that they trust me, and that means that I've worked to use the tools that I have, gentle massage techniques, slower massage techniques, to sedate the body's nervous system, kind of like let them take, that deep breath and relax and really get the benefit out of the massage after plastic surgery. And then they get off the table and they can move better, they feel lighter, they can feel the results in the massage, and they rebook, they come back to see me. So if this kind of gets you brave enough to have your own lymphatic massage after plastic surgery and you're in San Diego, go ahead and give me a call at 619-880-6538, or look at my website for more information, solacesandiego.com. Thank you.